I'm watching. Wait, it's about to go up. Holy cow. It's really close to us. Look at the line. It just went up. It just went up. And just like that, it's gone. That was in our there. I got it. Oh, it's on our little waterway.
Where?
Oh, look at that.
Those boats.
Oh my God, the boats are getting crushed. Now it's going to cross the bridge. Oh, it might just, and there's a car on the bridge. Oh no. Oh, it just went up. They lucked out. Oh, it's right, no, it's still there. It's still right before that water. What is that?